Man, real salt water this. The mother nice again, you know, man. That's it. Yeah. You like right now? Yeah, guys. So it's been a day, is it? So we just take some pictures. Ready, someone? Come like, you know how it. That's it. Yeah, people. Yeah, so we're up on a shoot right now. I'm late. I sure know I go and see him here. That's it. Yeah, man. Dex Media. You know, so I can't let my Maggie ready. After I drink a Maggie. Yeah, man, I'm a thing. Coming to you live from Portland. This is the way to the lighthouse. You're on Dex Media channel. Okay. You want to go over there to the shoot right now? Yeah, man, it is. Yeah. Yeah, people, so with that white light out now. Yeah, Folly light out. Can do it right now. Yeah, guys, so right now we're on spot, we're on location. And I'm see the model over there, so. Yeah, she had her maternity shoot today. And you don't know, so Dex Media there. Assistant, they are seeing when you see it, and the assistant today. You know, it's a mad thing. So right now today I use my 50mm lens and this beautiful weather. So you know, it's a mad thing. So I'm gonna stick around for the video. That one is going to be nice. Yeah, no photographer on my YouTube channel. Wanna see what's going on with the BRT. She's so excited about her shoot.
Yes, I am. Finally, from September 1st.
Yeah, she finally get to do her shoot with Dex Media, so that's very nice. Yeah.
Definitely so.
Alright. You ready? Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, one more again like that. One again. Ready? Alright, ready. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, one more again. Like right now, yeah, but stay to that side. Stay to the pool, please. Yeah, guys, so it's been a day, is it? So we just take some picture of this up on the bridge. You know, say I'm a thing. Alright. So I look for one of them when I take, and the settings was F4. The shutter speed was 200. You know, it's a hot day. So you want the camera to let in less light. So you know the trap go already. Weather is beautiful today, people. Very, very nice. Yeah, I love this weather. Yeah, this weather is sweet. Sorry, we never wear shorts though. Look like we're getting a water now. A nice water. Tell you.
Yes, man.
So right now, when see me again in the water. So this I go mad. Yeah, people. See her there, baby mother. She gone in the water now. You see it? Baby mother and nice again, you know, man. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, people, so as you can see. Yeah, we're up on the shoot. See way. So baby mother going in the water. You know, so I'm trying to get a nice angle. Because you know, see the background look really good. So you know, say it's a good look. And as I say, I'm using my Nikon camera, 50mm lens. So you know, say a mad thing. Nice blur background. Yeah, right now I'm so. Is my fans still with them? What up my fans? You know what she should do still? One machine I got over to the corner.
Over where? In that hole.
Yeah.
Who to get in the deep one there?
In a deep.
There a while ago.
People like a photograph. You saw me if I go through? I wet up my pants. Take time, baby mother. Take time. Sometimes I feel like my salt, you know. So I go see if I can get a wash off the face. Wash off the salt, you see it? Yeah, man, real salt water this. Come on. Yeah. Salt a bun me. Fuck. Alright, run this back. Should I wear shorts on you? Never call to mine. Yeah. My short. And I see it. It's so not still we dry. Yeah man, we dry.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a little tip when you're doing a photo shoot. Always try to put something in the background. So if the subject is there, you can always add a little tree and just blur the background. Yeah man, it's a nice tip. Alright, so we're going to our next spot now, people. Right now my pants soak as you can see. But this is a part of the job. Actually at the lighthouse right now. Yeah, that's the lighthouse. So we're up on the last part of the shoot to complete the shoot. So right now she is going through her pictures to select the one that she like. So right now we are pack up with it. Oh, you learn how to do that now.